Listen, today we are going to see illustration 2. Yesterday I was explained illustration 1, isn't it? The same model only. Today we are going to see the particulars. Same thing which was given on yesterday. The revenue, other income was given, expenses was given. Apart from these three items, one more information was given. Which was given? Yes, income tax was given. Isn't it? IT was given as a percentage. Based, and it is the new item in this illustration 2. Based on this one, you have to prepare the comparative statement. Shall we start? Okay. Now, you can come to the calculation. First, we can calculate everything. Shall we start the sum? Okay, listen. Now, we are going to do the sum. Can you tell me the answer? Yesterday, what we have written in the third column? Yes, absolute amount of increased or decreased value. Isn't it? Increased or decreased. So, you have to find out. Last column, yes, percentage of increased or decreased value. So, first one we are going to apply the formula, absolute amount of increased or decreased. What is the formula? First we are going to find out the increased value. Here 3 lakh was given, here 3 lakh 60,000. What is that amount? 60,000. Plus or minus? Plus only, isn't it? But here 1 lakh was given, 60,000 was given. How much? Yes, 40,000. Isn't it? So first one, can you tell me the percentage? How to find out? The same formula, amount of increased or decreased divided by 1 year amount into 100. 1 year means that is first year amount. Which is the first year here? Yes, 15 to 16 is the first year. So 60,000 divided by 3 lakh into 100, how much it will come? 20%, isn't it? The same manner, next one also, 40,000 divided by 1 lakh into 100. So what is the percentage? Yes, 40% will come. Here 40%, it is plus, it is minus, isn't it? Then next step, what we have to do? Just we are going to revenue here, income, we are going to add and say the answer 3 lakh plus 1 lakh. What is that answer? Yes, 4 lakh. Here is 4 lakh 20,000. Income only given, so that only we are adding, isn't it? Here, what is the answer will come? Yes, 20,000 will come. Why we are deducting here 20,000, here plus, here minus? Answer may be, yes, symbol may be different, so that only we are deducting. Then, now we are going to find out the percentage for here also. What percentage will come? Yes, 5% will come. Okay, next step, it is what? Total revenue. Isn't it? It is the total revenue. From here, what we are going to do? We are going to deduct the expenses. Everything which was given in the sum itself. If we are deducting means what is that amount will come? Yes, 2 lakhs. Here is, yes, 2 lakh 40,000. Can you tell me the answer for amount of increased or decreased value for the third column? The same method you have to apply and find out, isn't it? 40,000 by 1 lakh, 40%, then what you have to do? Yes, 20,000 by 4 lakh, what it will come? Yes, here also 20,000. Whether you have to add or subtract, you have to add. Since both are positive, so you have to add. Can you tell me the percentage here? The same method only you have to apply. So what is that amount? First one. Yes, the same manner here 40,000 divided by 1 lakh, isn't it, into 100. The same manner 20,000 divided by 4 lakh into 100. Then 20,000 divided by 2 lakh into 100, isn't it? 20,000 divided by 2 lakh into 100. Next what you have to do? Yes, next one 40,000 divided by 2 lakh into 100. 40,000 divided by 2 lakh into 100. Okay, find out and say the answer one by one. Here what it will come? Yes, minus 10 will come, isn't it? Percentage already we have written, so no need to write the once again that percentage. The amount number alone you can write. So 20, 40, 5, 10. Then yes, here also 20 plus 20. Then next what you have to do? It is the which is the answer? Yes, profit before tax. Since here alone given as a income tax 30% was given. So 30% on 2 lakhs. Okay, 30% it was given in the sum. So what you have to do? 2 lakhs into 30 by 100. Next one what you have to do? Yes, 2 lakh 40,000 into 30 by 100. So 2 lakh 40 into 100, what it will come? Yes, 60,000 will come, isn't it? Just cut and write. Here also, if you are cutting means what it will come? 72,000. Okay, so here is income tax. It is a new item in this sum. So income tax, the amount may be first person for 60,000, second person for 72,000. Can you tell me the increased or decreased value how much? Yes, you deduct and say 72,000 minus 60. Yes, 12,000. Can you tell me the percentage? Yes, here also 20. Okay, then the last step, what you have to do? Income tax should be added or deducted? Yes, you have to deduct. How much? Yes, 1,40,000. Then the second column 240 minus 72, 1,68,000. Then 40 minus 12, yes, 28,000. Percentage, here also 20. Can you clear, girls? Simple. As it is, first column, second column was given in the sum. Just you are going to copy down as it is. Third and fourth column, absolute amount of increased or decreased. That means just you are going to deduct the first and second column. Find out the increased value or decreased value. Increased means you have to put the symbol plus. Decreased means you have to put the symbol minus. Okay. Then the fourth column, apply the formula. What is the formula? Amount of increased or decreased divided by first year amount. First year amount was 15 to 16 is the first year amount. So 60,000 by 3 lakhs into 100. 40,000 by 1 lakh into 100. Then 20,000 by 4 lakh into 100. Then 20,000 by 2 lakh into 100. Then 40,000 by 2 lakhs into 100. 12,000 by 60,000 into 100. Okay, that is the percentage of increased or decreased. Another new item, revenue was given. With the revenue, just we are going to add the income. That is the third column. It is the total revenue. Next one, expenses was given. It is the expenses. So that only we are going to be deducted. It is the profit before tax. It is the new item. That is income tax is the new item. It was given in the sum. Compared to the last sum, it is the new item. Just we are going to deduct how much is the percentage was given. 30%. So 30% on 2 lakhs. How much? 60,000. 30% on 2,40,000. 72,000. So tax should be deducted. So 140, 168, 28,000. Can you clear, girls? It is profit after tax. Okay, you can go through very simple in this chapter. Go through, work out problem number 2. Can you try?